Hi everyone, I'm Carole with Carole's Cricut Crafts, and I'm going to reveal the new Berry Picking Cricut Joy mystery box. It includes a Poppy Cricut Cutie. It's gorgeous. As always, purchase and discount info. There's links in the description right under this video. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're on mobile device and you see a hype tab below this video, please click it. You'll be helping to push my video up the leaderboard so it gets more views. And here's the cutie. It does look orange in this video, but it's not. It's a muted red poppy color. That's why I've added this photo so you can see better what the color is. It did release last week in the Poppy Fields mystery box for Explore and Maker, and we have it again today in the Joy box. So if you missed it, here's your chance to get one. Let's see what else is included. We have a Cricut Joy Card Mat. You can never have too many. I love getting these in the mystery box. I have 10 feet of smart vinyl permanent 5.5 by 120 inches in gold. We have again 10 feet 5.5 by 120 inches smart vinyl permanent in silver. We have 10 feet 5.5 by 120 inches smart vinyl permanent in tomato red. Aren't these gorgeous? Let's just move them up a little so we have more room. We have more to show you. We have Smart Iron-On 5.5 by 19 in Aqua glitter. I don't think you can see the glitter in the video, but it's a gorgeous color. Aqua glitter. Let's put it here. We have 5.5 by 19 Smart Iron-On again in Sapphire glitter. We have Smart Iron-On 5.5 by 19 in multi glitter. These are so gorgeous. We have a pen set 0.3 black, blue, and red. These fit Joy and Joy Extra. And of course, you know, these materials you can use on Explore and Maker if you're making smaller projects like a logo or something like that. Just lay it sideways on your mat and you can definitely use them. We have glitter gel pens 0.8 in pink, blue, and green. Gorgeous. And last but not least, we have foil transfer insert cards, a pack of 18. You have the cards, the inserts, and the envelopes. And of course the foil sheets. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is the Cricut Joy Berry Picking Mystery Box. I hope you're going to enjoy it. As I mentioned in the description right below this video, there are purchase links and discount information. Thank you for using my affiliate link. If you do, I will earn a small commission, but that's never at any extra cost to you. Thank you for watching.